many green color lights are flashing on it? And just let me know.
My what? Modern?
Sorry?
I'm a what? I'm a modern modem.
Yes, the internet box. You have an internet box at your place?
Yeah. What on my phone?
Huh?
What?
When lights are blinking on it?
Do you mean my phone or my modem?
Not on your phone. I'm talking about your modem, the internet box.
Oh, what the talk box thing?
Yes, sir.
What, the white one or the black one?
The black one.
That's broken. I'm using the white one at the minute. It's.
Go in front of your. You have a mobile phone.
Yeah, I'm on the house phone. I'm on the landline.
Landline. Do you have a computer?
Well, no, I use my modem, the white one.
Where do you use your mobile? Where do you use?
Well, I've got an iPhone. The screen's cracked. I've got an iPhone, and I dropped it. I dropped it, and the screen's cracked.
Your iPhone.
Yeah, my phone. Your phone? My phone.
And check on your iPhone if your internet is working good or not.
I'll try, but the screen's cracked, so I dropped it, and it hit the toilet seat and smashed.
From your mobile phone, your internet is working good?
I'm trying. It's got a cracked screen.
I'm asking about the internet. Your internet is working good or not?
Yeah, I'm trying to find out. It's got. Hang on. Do you fix the screens then? Hang on.
Yes, sir.
I can't get a signal on my white modem. My mobile. What do you want me to try on my mobile?
Where is your iPhone? Where is your iPhone? Is it you?
Yeah, I'm trying to get signal on my phone. My phone or the iPhone?
Alright. Where do you use your internet? On your mobile phone, iPad, TV, computer, laptop?
I sometimes watch it on the telly. It's quite a smart telly.
Uh-huh.
It's not been working very well though.
Uh-huh.
Shall I turn the telly on?
Alright. So check your computer. Do you have a computer or laptop at your place?
I have, but I can't find it. I don't know. I think it might be upstairs somewhere.
Check your room and find the laptop.
Right, hang on. Right, hang on, I found it.
Find your laptop?
Yeah, I'm just switching it on, hang on.
Alright, switch it on.
He's still there?
And connect. Okay. And connect with your internet, okay?
Right, hang on. Oh,
Your internet.
hang on. It's totally flat. I need to find my charger. Hang on.
Alright, take your time, no problem. I'll be here for you.
Who are you with? Sky?
Okay. Sorry?
Who's it with? Did it say BT?
I am here with you. You don't have to worry now. Okay?
Hang on, I can't find. I've got to find my charger. Hang on.
Fine.
Should I try it on my phone or the iPhone? Should I try it on the iPhone instead?
Find your charger and plug in with your laptop. Okay?
I'm looking. Hang on. So, what do you fix? Phones? Did you say? Because my phone screen's cracked.
Your screen is cracked?
On my phone or on the iPhone. That's my phone, not the landline.
I'm asking you to turn on your laptop.
Yeah, I can't. I'm looking for my charger. Because the battery's dead. I don't use it a lot.
You can get it. You can get it. Okay.
Hello, you still there?
No problem. Find the charger and turn on your laptop.
So not on my phone, on my laptop. Yeah, I can't. I'm looking for. I can't find my charger. It's completely dead. The laptop. My phone's okay though. My iPhone, but it's got a cracked screen.
Mobile phone, because mobile phone is from iPhone, like your iOS device, not a Windows device. What? Work on your Windows device. Okay.
I'm not very good with technology. So you wanted me to look on my phone or the iPhone or the landline?
No, we can't do it. You have to find your charger.
I'm looking literally everywhere for it now. It's here somewhere.
Take your time, no problem. Take your time, no problem. Find the charger.
So want
to find that charger before or after.
And just plug it in, yeah, and off we go.
Not now, but you want that charger back. So
yeah,
you have to find it right now. All right. Find it. Just let me know.
I've not used my laptop since about Christmas time, about probably 6 months ago.
6 months ago?
Probably. I don't use it. I use my iPhone, but the screen's cracked. So it's a bit hit and miss.
All right.
Is it BT?
Is there any computer at your place, sir?
I've got one at work.
It's your computer. Is there any computer at your place?
Yeah, there's one I use at work sometimes.
At your work. You have that computer at your work, right?
Yeah, I sometimes use it if I'm bored.
All right.
But I'm not at work.
Is there no computer at the moment?
Well, yeah, I've got my phone. My iPhone. Yeah.
Not the iPhone. I'm talking all about computer and laptop. Do you have any laptop?
I have, but I can't find my charger.
You can't find your charger, and do you have a computer?
No, I've got a laptop.
Desktop computer, the PC.
I've got a laptop, but the buttons are really sticky. They stick. You press.
You have to check the speed of your internet. So just find the charger.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Phone down. Put me on a speaker phone. Okay. Do you have a speakerphone on your landline?
A what?
Put me on speakerphone and find your charger.
Okay, I'm looking. Hang on. Cool, that's loud. Hello, are you still there? Well, that's loud.
Yeah, I'm still here.
Are you shouting?
All right, I'm still here.
Are you shouting?
Yes, I am here.
Are you shouting?
Can you hear me?
It's gone really loud.
Go and find your charger, put me on speakerphone.
You're very loud. I think you're on speakerphone. On the landline, not the iPhone.
The landline. You have to provide me with your iPhone number, the mobile number. You have the mobile number?
What, my one?
Not the landline, the iPhone number. On your iPhone,
right.
Put the SIM on it. Right.
What you want my phone number?
Yes, your phone number. Help me out with your phone number so I can call you on your mobile phone. So we can, you put me on speaker and then you can find your charger. Okay.
Hang on, what's this? I found something. What's this? No, that's a PlayStation charger. I thought I had it then. That's for the PlayStation.
Help me out with the mobile number first.
What, for my phone or the iPhone?
The iPhone.
What, my number or the number you're calling?
The landline number is 1767 651 422, right?
That's my phone number, that is.
This is your landline number, your iPhone number.
I haven't got a clue. What, my iPhone? Or my phone? You've, what, 01767?
Help me out with your mobile number, which you have on your iPhone.
I haven't got a clue what that is. It's 0 something. 07, so I don't know. How would I get that?
You don't know the number.
Well, no, I've had my phone for I've had the phone for literally 3 weeks, and I dropped it in the toilet, and I've cracked the screen, and they won't repair it. Free of charge. They want £70.
All right, no problem. Now what you have to do, you just put me on the speaker, okay, from your landline, and find the laptop charger. Go and find the laptop charger, put me on a speaker phone.
You're very, yeah, I think it's on speaker because you're quite, it sounds like you're shouting it very loud. Hang on, I'm looking.
Sorry?
Hello? Is it BT, did you say?
What you trying to tell me? What you trying to tell me?
I've tried to told you that I can't find my charger. I found one, but it's for the PlayStation. Would that work? It might do.
You have to find your charger. You have to find your charger. Otherwise, you maybe lose your internet connection. Because there are some overseas hackers that are trying to do illegal activities with your IP address.
Oh, that's not good. No. Is it BT, is it, did you say? What, they hacking my iPhone, do you mean?
Sir?
Hello? Hang on, I'm still looking.
Sir?
Yeah, hello?
Yes, I can hear you now. You can hear me?
Hang on. No, that's not one.
Yes. Fine.
Hang on, no, I've checked every single room now, and it won't be in the garage.
Check. Where is the laptop?
Yeah, I've got the.
You can get it.
I've got the laptop, but it won't turn on. It's flat.
Where you got the laptop? Find there on the desk on the cupboard. Check out the charger. You can find it.
So yeah, I'm still looking. Are the hackers hacking my phone, or has it already been hacked? Because I'm worried now.
Yes, they were trying to hack your internet, not your mobile phone.
Not my iPhone that I dropped.
They were trying to hack your internet. By hacking your internet, they can hack your mobile phone, your computer, your anything, whatever you use, like your TV and everything.
I think my TV's okay because I watched it last night.
Find your charger. It is very important. Find your charger.
I'm looking. I'll just try and hear.
Put me on speakerphone and find your charger.
Hang on, what's this? This is. Oh no, that's.
Look on your cupboard. Look on your desk.
I've got a charger. Hang on. It says made in China. Is that the one?
Try to plug in with your computer.
Oh no, that's not for that. That's for
Not the charger of laptop.
I think that's for a drill, a cordless drill charger. That won't fit, will it? I can't find it.
21. Where is the charger?
How about if I buy another one and you ring me back? Because I can't find it. I'm worried now.
All right. That is why I'm telling you to put me on speaker and go and find the charger.
But I've looked everywhere.
Put me on speakerphone and go find the charger. I will hear on your phone. All right, for you.
Okay. I don't think I've had that charger here since 1966. For a long time. Oh no, that's a. I found a phone charger.
You find the charger?
For my iPhone, I found it.
Not the iPhone charger. You have to find your laptop charger.
Hang on a minute. I'll just look. Hang on. The cat's in the cradle. I'll have a look in there. There's a silver spoon. Is that? No. No, it's not in there. It's not in the cat's... No, not in with the cat's cradle.
You got the charger?
No, that's for my Hoover. That's not the one. I've found about 4 chargers now. And one's for the drill, one's for the Hoover, and one's for my iPhone. Not your phone, my phone. No, my iPhone. It's here somewhere.
You find all the chargers, but you've not got the laptop charger.
No, I've not used my laptop since Christmas, I think. About 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah, I usually go on my iPhone, but I dropped it on the toilet and it cracked the screen and they won't repair it. They want money, they want £80.
Just try to once again.
Is it from BT? Did you say you're from BT?
Right.
Hello?
Sorry?
Is it BT you say you're from, BT?
Sorry, I can't get you.
We're with BT Internet. Are you BT? BT?
Yes, I'm calling you from BT. You have the BT Internet at your place, right?
Because I thought you said Talk Talk.
Yes.
Is it BT or Talk Talk?
From
Talk. We're talking the talk. It's not in there. No, hang on.
Talking with me.
I'm
The line which you're using now is Talk Talk, and you are using the BT Connect.
We talk. Were you talking Talk Talk? Or are you talking BT?
I'm calling you from
Hello.
Talk Talk.
I thought you said you were talking about BT, not talking about Talk Talk.
Sir, the internet line you are using it is from BT, and the BT is connected to us. And the technical department, we have only one. So that is why we are calling you to make you aware of it and fix all the problem for you.
Hang on a minute. I think my cat's being sick again. Hang on. Oh, don't do that there. My cat's just been sick. I'll have to go and clear. My cat's just been sick. I've got to go and clear it up.
Sorry.
My cat's just been sick again. I need to clear it up. Oh dear, it's everywhere. He was in the cradle a minute ago. Now he's been sick.
Can you speak louder for me?
Yeah, I'll have to go and clear up. My cat's been sick again. He's not very well. Oh, it's everywhere.
Have to find your charger. Find your charger.
I need to clear this up. Hang on.
Laptop. Take your time. No problem with that.
My cat.
Find the charger.
My cat's just.
On your laptop.
What, the Talk one you on about?
Go to the next room and find it.
I can't find it. I've found some bits and bobs and some wood and that. I can't find a charger. It's got to be here somewhere. I found a football pump. I've got a football pump.
Would you arrange a charger from your neighbour?
Yeah, can you ring? I'll see if he's got one. Ring me back in 5 minutes because my battery on my phone's nearly dead. It's got 3%. I'll charge that. I've got my phone charger. I can charge that. I'll go and get a charger for the laptop. And if you could ring me back, that'd be brilliant. I'll be 5 minutes.
All right.
My phone's going to die at any minute now.
I will call you back after 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'll go and get a charger. Sorry about this. I do apologise. I'll let it go. I'll go. I think next door's got one yeah. All right. Thank you.
The call, help me out.
Yeah. Give me 5.
With the landline number.
Give me 5 minutes. All right. Speak to you soon.